What's happening, guys and girls? I am trying something a little bit new today. I'm not working on anything. I'm not making a knife. It's Friday. I'm planning on going over to my friend's house, and I also wanted to just try a little bit of a different format. I sat there, I worked on some stuff last night, and it was pretty cool. Got a lot of good footage in. Yeah, I sat there and edited for probably like 3 or 4 hours. And whenever I got done, I was not happy with it. So I ended up deleting like everything. Figure I'll break things up a little bit, do like a vlogging style. There's my cool wall thing. Yeah, we'll give that a shot. Speaking of changing it up a little bit, I do need to change my shirt. So let's do that. All right, good. Well, that is better. So let's go over to my buddy's house. So this is nice. Enjoying my Friday night. Not going live tonight, but this is kind of more fun because if I mess up, I can just edit it out. See, that's going away. There's Nico. Nico. It's good. My main purpose with all of this tonight, one, I like shooting video. That's always fun. But two is just kind of practicing, having the camera pointed at you, talking, stuff like that. Trying not to fall into the river. That's always a good thing. And just trying to get more natural at it. Because it is weird. Once that camera turns on, it's hard to be natural. And that's an odd feeling. That's why, and if you notice in a lot of my videos, it's really just me doing the intro, getting that part out there. And I mean, I've had videos that I didn't even talk in just because I wasn't feeling it that night. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep on trying, keep on pumping this thing out. Quit caring about the I like the views are cool. I quit caring about the monetization. And here's the really cool part about that. Once you stop caring about the monetization, because it's not happening this year, and they keep talking about that everything's going to go up, and you've got to have like 10,000 hours and stuff like that in order to monetize. That's stressful whenever you think about that. So I quit caring, quit thinking about it, stopped looking. You know, I was constantly looking at, oh, am I about to be monetized, or how far off am I? I know I wasn't about to be. But whenever I quit caring, that's whenever this started becoming fun again. Because I love doing this. I love making videos. I love editing them. Love taking pictures. Love photography. I'm looking at some new cameras. So that should be a lot of fun. I can feel my family over there watching me. So let's see if we can zoom in on them. Oh, I can't zoom. They're over there. They're looking at me. They're judging me. I can see them. See, now I don't want to say anything. See, y'all are making this awkward for me by looking at me. No. Alright guys, well, I am home. It is pretty late now, but yeah, had a pretty good night. It was a lot of fun. Just kind of recharging my batteries a little bit. Yeah. Elsa actually had puppies. If you've been to my live streams, you may have heard about it. She had pit bull Chihuahua puppies. I've got a Chihuahua also. And yep, those two ended up breeding. Made some pretty cool dogs. Actually, right now I'm sitting in my little stepway, doorway type thing. Yep. Well, I've got quite a bit of footage to edit, so I'm probably going to start working on that here in a minute. End up staying up most of the night. Although I do have... Oh crap, how am I going to stand up? Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Let's go over to... we've got the new computer desk getting set up, so let's go over here. Check that out. I'll warp. Oh! Love doing that. So anyway, I've only got the one monitor right now. I can't remember if I talked about this yet or not. Anyway, got the one monitor. I'm gonna hook this one up. The resolution on it's a little weird, so I'm about to fix that. And then, yeah, we're setting up. Gonna be putting up some bins and stuff for my camera equipment. I used to have a lot more camera equipment. I don't have as much anymore, but oh, and I'm thinking about getting. There's two cameras that I want to get. One is the Canon M50, I think it is, or I'm teeter-tottering between that one and the ADD. funny story. So he may even be watching this, but the guy at work today, I'm telling him that I want to get the he hears me watching a video for the 8080D Canon, right? So he hears it and it's called the 80D, and he turns, he's like, ADD, that's not good for a camera, you know, that's the opposite of what you want. ADD makes you lose focus. And yeah, I lost it. I thought that was about the funniest thing right there. The ADD. I got my Red Bull, that's why I was originally coming over here to show y'all. But anyway, so back here I think I'm going to put some, although it's really up to the wife. We'll see what she says. Anyway, right here is going to be like bins for camera equipment, you know, the GoPros, like camera bags are we're like getting all this stuff organized right now. Where's my, I have like a whole box full of camera equipment. We got the drone over there. Yeah, a lot of work, but it should be cool. And then, yeah, I told the wife today I wanted to get a new camera. She's like, you don't need any more cameras. I was like, I need at least one more. But yeah, I ended up getting rid of all of my lighting sets and stuff like that years ago whenever I used to do photography. Got out of it and then just kind of got rid of everything. I'm going to go ahead and end this and yeah, throw some edits on it and mess around with it a little bit and see what we come up with. So this was fun, a little bit different, like I said. You know, I don't usually just sit here and talk at the camera this much, but I am trying to get more used to talking at the camera because it's cool, right? You know, and yeah, let's do that thing where we go out with the hand. I'm still here. Bye. Oh, see, look at that. The camera is backwards right now. I was thinking that I was looking at you this whole time. That is commitment to safety, more or less. Maybe not.